we are having 37,000 job card holders registered with us. We are having 37 job cards. In that job card, we are having 43,000 job card holders registered. In one card, there is a possibility 2-3 people are there. So 37,000 is a job card registered, 43,000 is a people registered. Market rate is something else. So of course, I am not giving any comments on that market, but at least we are expecting that 323 rupees shall be given by the Government of India. In this regard, we have already written twice, thrice to the Government of India to take care at least minimum wage rate to be provided. Because 240 rupees, no people are willing to actually participate in this MGNREGA undertaking any job as such. बाहेर जर 300 रुपयान काम मिळतं, 400 रुपयान जर पगार मिळतं, 450 रुपये, who will come for 240 rupees? One reason. Plus काही गोष्टी ज्या असतात काम करपाचे जे आहात ते आमची बाकीची स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट असतात, कारण एक डिसिल्टिंग आसा किंवा आडीगीत आसा, ही बहुतेक कामां सगळी इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट घेतात. रस्त्याचे जर काम असेल जाल्यार PWD घेतात. आमच्याकडे जी सुविधा असतात किंवा सॉरी नॉट जी सुविधा बिकॉज दॅट इज इन अर्बन एरिया, ही जी काही कामं असतात पंचायत काही सक्षम असतात ते आपल्या रोडाची कामं घेतात, फुटपाथ बांधपाची आहात हे पंचायत घेतात किंवा RDA म्हणून वेगळी एजन्सी असतात, हे सगळी कामं करतात. कारण हे सगळी कामं घेतल्या कारणामुळे हांगारे आमकां कामांक अगदी स्कोप कमी उरता. सो आमी कितें करतात, शक्यतो शेतां खातीर ज्या ठिकाणी आमकां स्कोप मेळटा त्या ठिकाणी आमी तांकां ऑफर करतात. पण तेंच्यानी आपल्या स्वताच्या शेतान काम करपाचें, साफ सफाई करपाची, एखादो कॅनल बांदपाक जाय कॅनल बांदपाचो, एखादी वाट तयार करपाक जाय ती तयार करपाची, एखादी फेन्सिंग करपाक जाय तर ती फेन्सिंग तयार करपाची. अशा तरेन आमी तांकां जास्तीत जास्त वापर करूंक जाय आनी तेंच्यान आपल्याच शेताक फेन्स करपाचें. मिनिमम वेज तरी दिवची म्हण आमी 320 रुपीज. हां
आता अंडर द स्कीम कितली दिता तुम्ही?
240 रुपीज.
सो at least 80 rupees to 90 rupees कमी आसा.
That is what we are expecting from 343, right? 323. That is the minimum wage of the state government.
So तुमका रिप्लाय आला सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट?
We have not received any reply as such. We have not received any reply as such. But right now we लाटंबर से पंचायत बिचौली.
कितले असे?
I may not be sufficient.
So roughly?
No, I don't have. But then that is a panchayat we are having maximum.
But the scheme is well to do or the scheme is not?
No, that will work. That will work. It is not that we don't have poverty or people are not working. People are still coming here, and we are making those who are actually interested. Definitely, we are making use of it.